Highway 63 Cattle Ranch is a rare find that has had constant stewardship of the 520 acres of grass and soil. The ranch is 70% open pasture, giving cattle plenty of grass along with cover and windbreaks. Depending on how it's managed, this ranch can easily run over 100 cow-calf pairs. Complete with a good set of working corrals, storage units for both equipment and feed, ponds, and fencing. The ranch has great access with highway frontage on one side and a blacktop road on the other. Having access on both sides of the ranch opens many opportunities for this ranch for not only cow-calf operation, but also would make an excellent stocker operation. This ranch has rolling terrain, making it one of the best trophy deer and turkey habitats in the area. Come see the Highway 63 Cattle Ranch today.